The students who came today, they had a lot to share. When we talk to them, you hear they have been able to see a university like, they have visited a university like Murdoch University. They have talked to a representative from UTS or University of Technology, Sydney, and many others. We partner with over 30 universities in Australia. In fact, this year I think we'll be like 33 universities. We partner with them, we market their program. We wear their hats. When we are out there in the field, we are any of these universities. If I find a student who is going, for example, to Flinders University, Flinders is one of our oldest partners, we will answer all their questions just like how Flinders can do. And the universities have opened for us some portals, meaning we can be able to apply for a student program straight, easily, with no hassles at all. It's not like when the student goes looking online, printing some papers. In a lot of cases, Australian universities will refer back to the student and tell them, go and see the agent who is our representative in that area. And we are one of the accredited agents for most of these universities.
For me, this is a successful day because even if they're not able to go to Australia now, it means they have the right information. So from now, they can go home. If it's preparing their bank statements, getting a passport, being able to get your documents, KCSE or even university transcripts, you're able to prepare yourself. And then when you're done, you even know where to come. Australia is beautiful. You gotta think about the skill migration that they have there. If you're studying something like mining, that is the best place to be. And also there are so many courses that they have, which it's a booming industry. Engineering is there. There is also a lot of nursing going on. So for me, I can say the opportunities there are very great. And also it's a friendly environment and it's not snowing. I mean, you wouldn't compare it to say Canada or UK where it can get very cold.
My relationship with Option goes back many years. They're one of my trusted agents who can take applications on my behalf. They do it professionally and equitably, so I really appreciate the things that they do for me. The opportunities are to study in Australia, to do bachelor's and master's degrees, as well as pathways through to study and work in Australia. Many Kenyans study with us, and often they will study things like international relations, engineering, IT, cybersecurity, and creative arts.
I wanted to study in Australia, but I didn't know they were forward, so I've come. I've chosen a university and to study international business management in Australia. So when I finish my school, I've already applied. I just link with the options and then go to wherever I want to go in Australia and study.
I would like to pursue performing arts. I would like to become an actor, a well-known actor, and God willing, I will get my chance to go to Australia because I have seen that they are offering good courses in performing arts. I learned about options in the radio. It was been announced and I was like, why not? I want to study in abroad and I thought Australia is a good option.
I'm very impressed by the hospitality and the talks we've had. We have engaged with the various stakeholders from various universities in Australia. Somehow like a limelight to a number of students who have the ambitions to do their studies abroad. Personally, I can go for the criminology in Adelaide.
100% scholarship is a thing that doesn't come very easily, but we have a lot of partial scholarships whereby several universities give 25% scholarship, 20% scholarships. So I would really wish the students can, even after they get their applications going through, they talk to one of our team members or one of our staff, and sometimes they're able to tell you about a university which has scholarship offering the same program. Most of them are merit based. If you are looking for a master's program, at your first degree you had a second upper, you most likely can get a merit-based scholarship. Some are 15%, others 20%, but at least we do have them, and we really like sharing them. Even on our website, we have a whole section on scholarships, which are going. We keep updating that on a daily basis.